Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss an important update regarding CCLS UDCLDC examination. Here you can see this is the official recruitment page of CCLS UDCLDC examination, and this is new update regarding typing test LDC submission of typing test language and city of typing test from 21 December to 26 December. And if you click here, then you see this page. Actually you have to select your typing language and select your exam city for typing test, and this window will be open from 21 December to 26 December, and it is also mentioned here that your typing test tentatively will be conducted from in the month of February. Now what you have to do here, first you have to validate yourself with the help of roll number and followed by OTP, and step 2, submit the typing test city and language of the typing test. So do it very carefully because only one time chance. Okay, so guys, those candidates who qualified for typing test, they must do this immediately. Okay, so guys, that's it in the video. Thanks for watching this video.